In this video, I'll show you how you can find your USDT address in Binance. Okay, so this is fairly easy. Now, once you're on the mobile app, you can find it within a couple of seconds here. You can also do this on the computer. Now, what I would recommend you do is go to Portfolio in the bottom right-hand corner and then click on Deposit. Now, once you've done that, you need to go to the crypto section. It might be on Fiat, click on Crypto. Then go ahead and search for USDT. Might be under the trending tab. If not, you can just go ahead and search for it manually. So click on USDT. It's then going to ask you what network do you want to receive crypto or the USDT on, right? Now, this is going to depend on what network you're using to send from another wallet to your Binance account. Now, each network has its advantages and disadvantages, but when you're sending or when somebody else is sending the crypto, they will have an option to choose what network they're going to send it on. Now, the BNB Smart Chain is a common network for USDT. So if you go ahead and click on that, you can then get the QR code and the deposit address for your USDT. So this is what you would copy. Make sure you've got the right network selected, depending on how you're going to receive the crypto, but that is essentially how you would do it.